Here we are harvesting our sweet potatoes. It is middle of August, and these sweet potatoes were planted sometime in May. So we're just curious to see what's going on. We have another container right here that we're not going to harvest quite yet, depending on what we find in this bucket. So now we're just cutting off the tremendous amount of foliage there. And now we're going to see what's going to happen in there.
The moment it's through. Holy moly.
Alright, well maybe you shouldn't be pulling them like that.
No, espérate.
Well, while pulling, this is what was pulling there, so I guess they might have needed some time yet. You're ripping them, Gustavo.
Yeah, mami, I go through everything over there, sacando las raíces.
Alright, these things are
The moment it's through, we
not
got
as
some.
small. At least the ones that were attached to the roots yet. Alright, they were a bit tangled up in there. Wait, they come loose, just loosen them up a little bit. That's all. They were all tangled up. Be careful, please. Alright. They're edible. You could eat those. Mira, please.
Saca la cosa de mami. Sácame la... This is big.
That one's big.
Uh-huh. We got some.
You gotta keep digging in there. You still have the other bucket. Oh, yeah. You got some sweet potatoes coming out of there. Nice size. Some of them are still a bit skinny, so I don't even know if they would have grown any bigger. Maybe it might have been a space situation there. But they could have. So now we know to leave the other bucket a little longer, as long as we can. There's sweet potatoes all the way in the bottom.
Tenía mucha agua.
Whoa. No tenía mucha agua, está seca. Yeah, those weren't gonna grow any bigger because they were all the way in the bottom. But that sweet potato really goes crazy. So what do you think? Definitely more time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is good.
For them to get bigger.
Yeah.
They usually do grow in weird shapes, so that's not unusual. But whoa, wow. See?
Eso es algo.
Yeah. And that's not bad for one bucket.
He need more time.
Yeah. They have a whole bunch of skinny ones. See? Not bad for one bucket, right? Alright guys, so that's what we had to show you. This is what we got out of our sweet potatoes. And we still have this one left. So this one we'll definitely let it go as long as we can. We just were really curious to see. Oh, there's more on this side too. Okay. Not bad at all. Alright, see you guys later.